This is exactly how you can make $100 per day free Bitcoin. Also, I will share with you how to turn that $100 into $300, $500 per day passively. So we are going to use Steemit in this method. Don't just skip the video because I will be sharing with you how you can get results faster. So as you can see, this guy posted 2 days ago already made $248, $79, $53 and tons of money. The first step is simply just click on the sign up option on the Steemit and just sign up. You can get a free account. It is going to take 1 to 2 days, and if you want to pay, you can get an instant account. So after you have created the account, how are you going to actually make money on this website? Well, whenever you are going to post on the Steemit, when someone is going to upvote, comment, downvote, doing something like that, then as per their account position, you are going to get reward. So for every upvote they are going to make, if their account authority is really high, then you will be making more money. If their account authority is low, then you will be making less money. And not only that, if you are going to comment on someone else's post, you can even get paid if someone upvotes your comment. But how do you get your post on the trending page and can make money? The first step is actually creating the content, and as you can see, the content are not really large on this website. They have lots of images, but the content are really short. You can write a content within just 500 words and you will be able to rank, and even you can create a 5-minute valuable video and you will be able to rank on this website. When you will be posting good content, you will start making money. But how do you do it faster? The first step is actually you can simply just open up a YouTube channel and just start talking about the Bitcoin on that YouTube channel. Just simply find the trending topics from the Google Trends and you will be easily able to crack this code. And then you can simply tell on the YouTube, hey, simply just head over to the Steemit and follow me there. And then they are going to upvote, like, comment, share, and when they will be doing that, the post will keep on going up and up in the trending section, and the people who are going to have high authority, they are going to upvote your post, and that's how you will be making money. But as we all know that the YouTube channels take a little bit of the time, and if you don't have patience, just do this. You can simply head over to the Facebook and there you simply search for cryptocurrency. Just join about 5 to 10 groups. Don't spam the links. Follow this strategy. The first step, after you are going to simply just join all of these groups, you are going to see that lots and lots of people are asking different questions in these groups. So you are going to simply just go over there and simply just help them by answering their questions. And if you don't know, you can simply just head over to Google and simply search over there. You will be easily able to find that answer. Now the second step is simply just head over to your profile, and in the bio you are going to see an option to put the link. So simply just click over there and add the link to your Steemit profile. You can shorten the link with the bit.ly, and also make sure to add the featured image over there. So people are going to see that image and then they are going to click your bio and they will be forwarded to your Steemit, and then you can actually make money. But how do you make it even more faster? But you have to actually follow this strategy. The first step is actually just answer the questions of other people in the group. Also make sure to post valuable content. It can be in the form of text, it can be in the form of video, and try to do the part type training. For example, you are going to create a video training on teaching how to do the trading. Then you are going to simply just break it into 4 parts, and you are going to tell other people, if you are going to comment below part 2, then I am going to release the part 2. Otherwise I will not be doing that, because the more comment you are going to see, the more people will see your post, and you will be keep on building authority into the group. And after you are going to keep doing this for like 10-15 days, you are going to simply reach out to the admin of the group and you are going to simply tell them, hey, can I do a live session in your group and can I just teach them something? I'm not going to sell them anything, but at the end of the live stream, I am going to simply invite them to my Steemit account and also to my YouTube channel. That's the only thing I will be doing. And 90% of the admins are going to be agree because they want more content and also engagement. So when you will be doing videos, trainings, live videos in those groups, they are going to be really happy and they are going to let them to place the link in the comment section or in the or you can simply tell them in the video, hey, simply just click the first link in the comment and simply head over to the Steemit. So these were the 2 strategies on how you can get faster $100 per day, but how you can actually go from $100 per day to like $300, $500 per day. That's how you are going to become passive income. You're probably aware that the cryptocurrency market is in the downfall, and the Steemit is going to pay you into the Steem dollars. That Steem dollars are valued at 97 cents. That's almost like $1. But when you are going to look at their chart, you are going to simply see over there that Steemit dollar has gone up to $16. So I'm not saying that it is going to touch again the $16 mark, but at least it can easily touch like $2, $3, $4. So just keep on earning the Steemit, and then what you can actually do, you can simply just wait for like some time. If you believe that the fundamentals of Steem dollars are good, then let that money be into the Steem dollars and let that money grow, because when the market will grow, your Steem dollars value will grow, and then later on you can withdraw when it will be like $3, $4. Or the second strategy, you can simply just sell the Steem dollars and you can simply pick any other cryptocurrency or maybe any other stock that you believe in. Simply just invest into that and just simply look how your money will start growing when you will be investing. So those were the two strategies to going from $100 to $300. And also make sure to share this video because a lot of people want to earn free Bitcoin. So share this with your friends, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel because I will be releasing more amazing content.